let's see what comes with the DJI Mic 2s. DJI Mic 2s. These came out to compete with the Rode Wireless Pros, I believe. So, what comes in it? As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff that comes into this. The two mics, one on each side, and then the receiver right in the middle. As you can see, these guys obviously give a different shape compared to the Rodes. On the back here, you do have a magnet that does come along, so that way you can just magnet this to your shirt and not really necessarily have to clip it all the time. The receiver is actually a little bit different from the one. Let's see if I can get this to focus. So the receiver has a dial here, actually, as you can see, other than just being completely touchscreen from the previous model. Now, I didn't have the previous model, and I heard this was a big deal that it was only wireless. So this is a huge update, as well as the hot shoe mount is a little bit different from the other one, as I used the other one just once or twice before, but I don't physically own it. So as I stated, two receivers. You also have two attachments that go into here, so you can connect this to your phone and not just rely on the Bluetooth. So one comes with the actual lightning cable, or the actual lightning connection. The next one comes with the USB-C connection, as you can see right here. I honestly love this case that it does click in and you can't actually open this up. I find that this is a better case than the Rodes, simply because it is a massive charging case, and all the accessories that you need, well, most of the accessories that you need come into here. You can actually fit this right into the case and close it right up. The additional items you get within this is the USB-C charging cord and the dead cats that come for the mics, and they're pretty easy to install, which, to be honest, I always hated the Rode ones because sometimes it would just fall off, but for these have become pretty easy to use when it comes to attaching the dead cat. You have the mic right here, right in front of my face, and you do have the attachment to actually click in the dead cat, so that way you don't lose it, it doesn't fall off, and it's pretty easy to use. I'll be coming out with a more in-depth review about these mics. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.